Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Funko Fans of India. Today I am with another new video about Funko Pop. What is Funko Pop actually? So Funko Pop, is it really just a collectible toy? No, not at all. Because this Funko company started way back in 2004 when Brian Mariotti is the CEO of the company. When he started manufacturing pops, which the company was previously manufacturing wobblers. So when the pops were started to getting manufactured, it was just a collectible, nothing else. But today Funko Pops are not just collectible toys, guys. It has become an excellent option for investment, because these pops comes with, like, there is an app called Funko app where you can see the daily prices of these pops. I will take you through the Funko app, how it is, because we have three pop, that is Minions, Pajama Bob, Sybil Trivellani from Harry Potter, and Colonial Sanders Funko Shop exclusive. So these pops trade like a stocks and shares. So every day, depending upon the demand and supply, the prices of these pops keeps varying. So this is not just a collectible toys, it is an easy investment option, fun to buy, collect, and also to trade. So I will take you through the Funko app. You can get to know what it actually means to collect the Funko Pops and everything. So I just wanted to make you know that this is not just a collectible toys. Across abroad, from any age, starting from 10 10th 10-year kid to almost 90 to 100-year-old person collects this stuff, and they make money also. Like, there are flippers, scalpers, and I will talk more about this in coming videos. Right now we will get into a Funko app and see for what prices these pops are trending for. So let's get into the Funko app, guys. So if we go, we can see so many products. Sodas are there. So Funko doesn't just deals with pop, it deals with sodas, movie movement, flush toys, and bags and everything. There are so many products which are trending on Funko, but the huge fan craze is for the Funko Pops. So let's check with one of the three pops we have. In that, we will go with Pajama Bob. So Minions, Pajama Bob. So this is the pop which I have in hand. So this is trending for the value 977 rupees. You can see, because I have set the value at Indian rupees. The PPG price is 977 as of today. So this price can either increase or decrease depending upon the demand and supply. So now let's move to another pop, that is KFC Colonial Sanders. So I have Funko Shop exclusive Colonial Sanders, so I will click on that. So it is trending for 1202 rupees. This is the value which has been trending all over the world. But PPG doesn't capture the prices of Indian pops. I mean, the pops which has been shipped, because they do not had shipping. So they just give the value which is trending in US, and usually global Funko Pop collectors, they go with PPG price and they will add shipping to that. Harry Potter Sybil. Okay. So Harry Potter Sybil Trivellani is also going for 1202. So status is available, release date, everything is mentioned. Status is whether it's vaulted or something like that. Vaulted means it's no more into a production. So the Funko has stopped the production of this pop. That's what it means. So this is the Funko app. So we saw the value of all the three pops in the Funko app. That's how things work. In coming videos, I will put light on many things. What are the variants of Funko Pops? What influence the price of a Funko Pop? How in different sizes they are available, and everything will be taken through in the coming video. Keep watching our videos and like the subscribe the channel And if you wish to join our community, you can join in Facebook group Funko Fans of India, and you can also follow the page Funko Fans of India in Facebook. Thank you guys. We will meet you in the next video. Take care.